Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Jadhav, Assistant Professor in Sarhat College of Arts, Commerce and Science. So today we are learn about software testing and its types. So basically we will see firstly introduction of software testing. Software testing is an important process in a software development lifecycle. It involves verifying and validating that the software application is free of bugs, meets the technical requirement set by its design and development, and satisfies user requirements efficiently and effectively. This process ensures that the application can handle all the exceptional and boundaries cases, providing a robust and reliable user experience by systematically identify and fixing issue. Software testing helps deliver high quality software that perform as expected in various scenarios. So what is basically software testing? Software testing is a process that aims not only at finding faults in the existing software but also as a finding measures to improve the software in terms of efficiency, accuracy, and the usability. The article focuses on the discussing software testing in detail. It is important to learn the basics whether it is software testing or anything else. You always need to start from the basics and make your foundation strong and the process to the advanced level. If you want to learn software testing in a structured approach, then you can enroll in your manual to automation testing. So what is software? Software testing is a method to access the functionality of the software program. Perform the purpose of the software testing is to identify to errors, faults, or missing requirements in contrast to actual requirement. It mainly aims at measuring the specification, functionality, and performance of the software program or application. So, importance of software testing: defects can be identified early, improves quality to software, increase customer satisfaction, helps with scalability, saves time and money. Other than that, we can see software testing is important because if there are many bugs, then because of the software testing we can find it at easily and it saves the time. There are two types, especially automation testing and the manual testing, but this is the part of the manual testing. So need for the software testing: software bugs can cause potential monetary and the human loss. There are many examples in the history, but software bugs can cause potential and it is very important to find from the software. So from 1985 since now there are various types, there are various changes in the software testing. There are the many types of software testing, basically unit testing, integration testing, regression testing, smoke testing, system testing, alpha testing and beta testing, and then performance testing. So one by one we will see the testing. So what is the unit testing? Unit testing is nothing but when you are designing any software, then in that software specifically one by one written code by the developer as the write is code for the given unit. They are usually written in the same programming languages as the software and use of the testing framework or library that provides the necessary tool for the creating and running in the test. So basically in unit testing, we are testing any type of tool separately. But in we see the for the next, that is the integration testing. Integration testing is the combination of the unit testing or components. When the specifically integration testing goals is the validate that the interaction between the units or the components. Integration testing is typically performed after the unit testing. Firstly, we will do the unit testing, then we will go for the integration testing, and after that integration testing, we will see for the system testing. But regression testing is a software testing method in which previously developed and tested software is retested after it has been modified or changes. The specifically main goal is in the regression testing is that ensure any change to software that have introduced new bug or broken existing functionality. Basically, it is performed after the unit testing and integration testing. After that, smoke testing. Smoke testing is also known as the build verification testing or build acceptance testing. In this testing, we will see which is the minimal set of the test or run a new build of a software application to determine if it is stable enough to proceed with a further testing. And its specifically goal quickly identify or isolate their issues with the software build. So after that there is a system testing. What is exactly system testing? System testing in which the entire system is tested as a whole. Overall, basically from the first system to last system, all over the system will be checked under the system testing. The goal of the system testing is validate that the software system behaves as expected testing, and there is the main functionality, performance, security, usability we will check in the system testing. So thank you so much.